Hi, in this video we are going to go after one of the most important keys to success, named by numerous celebrities as a common way to achieve success and accumulate wealth. That simple device is to make a list. This overlooked skill provides the key to starting and maintaining riches and achievement. It's a learned skill for people struggling with mental disorders, but a simple habit that benefits everyone, even little kids. How many people don't know how to make lists, or like my close friend struggle to put the items on a list or read it? In this section we are going to offer a few ways, then we are going to walk you through your first list making exercise, so you will have completed and taken your first. However, first we are going to provide examples and types of lists to help you completely understand what to do and where they fit into your life and find the one that works best for you. I am going to show some pictures of lists and strategies, then talk about how they are effective.
The first type of list is called a daily planner. This is a prescribed list you can buy or print online. They come in the form of calendars or weekly planners. They will cost you a little money. They're good at outlining and writing down the big picture, but can be hard to follow. My friend struggles with mental illness, but is unable to finish items. He still relies mostly on memory. These types of lists can be painful in that they focus on projects within a time frame, but do not focus on accurately judging your time. Another list is to simply write down all the tasks you can do onto a set of paper. This includes drawing pictures or using alphabets. The third option is to type your project steps as much as you can think of on a piece of paper and to use IM or Apple Calendar or some other app. Personally, I think this is the best option for those struggling with list making. Write everything or type as much as you can onto a paper, then print. And you can also write things on the side. Other stuff are making charts, such as the 6 chart, where you write the 6 most important things and eat the task that is key or the most important to your project first. If you are incapable, simply move your item back to first thing tomorrow. Another option is to write on a calendar what your stuff to do.
In this section, we are going to write a list together for your day. First, decide what you want to use. If you lack a daily planner, simply print a template online. Go gather your paper notebook or calendar. In the space for the day, you will write down your routine, or you will simply make a line horizontal then vertical down and write down your list. Take a few seconds to write: brush your teeth, wash face, breakfast. Second, include a form of exercise. If you have never done this before, simply say walk, then write 30 minutes or minutes. Now write something work related like study for 30 minutes. Write the task you always never accomplish. Now write something personal or relationship, for example, give mom a hug. Next, write your night routine: brush your teeth, shower. Write one thing for a project you have. Write a deadline during the day like 3 o'clock. Now leave some leniency for what you want to do for a reward. You can also use alarm clocks or alarms in your phone. Lists are different for each person. Some celebrities post little post-it notes in front of their mirror in the morning. Other famous people use a simple division to write down work-related tasks for the day. Others do what I previously mentioned. They write all the tasks for the goal, and circle the 2 or 3 tasks that make all the other parts of your project possible. Then circle those 2 tasks and accomplish them first, and if they are unable, move it to something else to first thing the following morning.
You will now put your list to the side. You will now be asked to complete a memory skill set and side challenge if you want. Do you accept? If you accept, I want you to choose a paper and want you to write down something you always wanted or dreamed to accomplish. Now I want you to write down all the steps to do this goal now, no matter how hard or impossible, and I want you to write down as much detail you can. Good. Now I want you to write down and circle the hardest thing in that list. This does not mean you have to accomplish that goal, it just means you are going to know the linchpin. NOWW, write down everything you need to start this task. If you want to make a YouTube movie, for instance, you write down find a topic, find a length, record, or use plan out, decide, or put narration, music. What is the most important task? Finding film process. Still too hard. How about breaking it down further to decide why audience would watch this? Write outline, think through video, or create a narration. Still too hard. How about breaking down the first part into does this provide teaching lessons or entertainment? Okay, this provides entertainment. Can't think of a script? Break that down again into the most important tasks. Like, I know this for entertainment. Should I provide humor, music, or a show? By breaking down the core tasks you circled, you can get to starting the project you long procrastinated and dominated your life and ambitions.
Now put this list aside. What did you circle? What task did you break down? Circle to start.
This brings us to the very end of the video. Thank you for staying with us. Now, by hitting that subscribe button and pressing the bell icon, you will ensure that our voice reaches millions of people. So, march forward and do this token of kindness for us. Till we see you next time.